Today we're learning how to do an elbow stand. Are you ready? First, we're going to place our hands properly on the pole. You want your hand into a diamond shape. Make sure your arms are flat on the floor. Then your head will go on your arms. You actually want to place it closer to your wrist. Not exactly on the arms closer to your elbow, but closer to the wrist. Alright, so now you're going to lie your back on the pole. Once you lie your back on the pole, you're going to kick that leg to the back to where it's hooking on the pole. And as you can see, I use my right leg. Once you get the hang of it and feel comfortable, you can play with it, start playing with the lines. Doing from a different angle, such as the back. That's it, but the tips are to remember your hand is in a diamond shape. Also, make sure your forearms is flat on the floor. Make sure your back is lined up on the pole. Alright, that is it. I'm free to comments, feedbacks, and questions. I will get back with you below. Thanks for watching, and I also have a question. Did you enjoy? You can also follow me on any of these social media platforms. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.